You're watching VSM TV. I'm Carol Roy, and today I'm joined by Rich Bourdeau, the Vice President of Marketing at DynamicOps. How are you, Rich?
Very good. We're having a good show here, and looking forward to talking with you.
Excellent. Well, thanks for joining us here and for dealing with the din around us. I know it's a little bit noisy today. Why don't you start off by telling our viewers a little bit about DynamicOps?
So DynamicOps was funded about a year ago. It's a spin-out from development work that was done at Credit Suisse. They started the virtual infrastructure deployment over 4 years ago, and as they decided to scale it out, they quickly realized that they needed better operational automation and governance in place. And so they built Virtual Resource Manager to manage their virtual infrastructure. And about a year ago, they realized that they wanted to spin it out as an independent company. And so they hired a bunch of people who had experience developing enterprise software. And we've delivered our first product about in Q3 of last year. And now have a bunch of customers using our product, and we continue to enhance and deliver on that.
Perfect segue. You mentioned Virtual Resource Manager. That's really a premier product for you guys. Where is it today versus where it was a year ago? What kind of detail can you share?
Well, I think in terms of what we were delivering, or what Credit Suisse had built, it was always a multi-vendor product, but we've enhanced the multi-vendor capabilities of Virtual Resource Manager to include additional hypervisors like Citrix Zen Server, Microsoft Hyper-V, as well as VMware ESX, vSphere. And we're going to continue to do that, as well as focus in on supporting the technology stack that's required to support both virtual servers and virtual desktops. So things like Citrix Provisioning Server or Zen Desktop components that are required in the virtual desktop environment.
So here at Citrix Synergy, you guys are a sponsor. You have a booth. What kind of key messages are you delivering at the event this year?
Okay. Well, I think we're aligned with the Citrix message of automated self-service delivery. And what we're trying to do is provide policy-enabled automated self-service delivery of your and management of your virtual infrastructure. And I think the messages that, or at least what our customers are telling us, their value added, what they get out of our product, is really they're enabled to deliver the service more efficiently, as well as save resources in terms of operational costs, as well as CapEx savings, because they can more efficiently use their virtual infrastructure.
So what is DynamicOps' relationship with Citrix?
DynamicOps is a Citrix technology partner. We have a Citrix-ready solution that leverages both Citrix Zen Server from a hypervisor standpoint, so we're able to create, manage, decommission virtual machines created on Citrix Zen Server. But we've also integrated within the Zen desktop ecosystem, and our solution includes components for provisioning via Citrix Provisioning Server, streaming efficient desktops to those virtual machines that we created, and registering the user and the virtual machine that we've created with the Citrix connection brokers and desktop connection broker. So integrating at multiple layers through the Citrix product line.
And for the folks that are here in Las Vegas with us and are able to come visit the DynamicOps booth, what are they going to find there?
So they're going to see live demos where we're provisioning VMs on a variety of different hypervisors, using a variety of different image deployment technologies, not only provisioning server, but we also support things like cloning. We have a WinPE builder so that you can build your images that way, and we've integrated with other image deployment technologies like Altiris's image deployment technology. So we have a demo that showcases all those technologies, and that's primarily what we're showing here, so that we can show sort of the breadth of our offering.
And what's coming next for DynamicOps?
We're very close to releasing our 3.2 release, which has resource reclamation, better support for Linux systems in terms of being able to customize the environment after you've created the virtual machine, and an SDK that users can use to customize the workflows that come out of the box, the operational expertise that we've bundled in, to be able to customize those workflows to sort of fit their unique environments and their existing management ecosystem.
And your web address where they can also check out and get information?
They can do that at www.dynamicops.com.
Rich, thanks for joining us. Enjoy your week in Las Vegas.
Great, thank you.